Hi everybody, I'm Oren from Intellithings and this is RoomME. RoomME is an intelligent occupancy sensor that's able to identify who are the specific people in a room by tracking either smartphone or smartwatches. Once you install RoomME in your current smart home, you're able to automate everything in a room based on personal preferences. So basically, all you need to do is enter a room and everything is set up based on your personal preferences. Now, RoomME can also distinguish between people, as I explained. So we have integrated into RoomME a prioritization mechanism. So when you are in a room together with someone else, RoomME can define, or you can define in RoomME, who has control over the room. And then everything changes based on who's in the room. As long as people come and leave the room changes automatically. If you want to know more about RoomME, please visit our website, www.intellithings.net. Thank you.